To fix the black background issue on folder icons in Windows, start by opening STGAT menu and search for Disk Cleanup. When prompted, select the drive where Windows is installed, usually C, and click OK to scan for unnecessary files. Once the scan is complete, find thumbnails in the list of files to delete, check the box next to it, uncheck any other options if needed, and click OK, then delete files. This will remove cached thumbnails, forcing Windows to regenerate them and resolve the black background problem. After that, restart Windows Explorer by right-click on Taskbar and open Task Manager, scrolling down to find Windows Explorer, right-clicking it, and selecting Restart. This will refresh the icon display and apply the changes, and this will fix the problem. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.